In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. If you want to organize your site navigation, a drop-down menu is one of the most helpful tools. It lets visitors see a main menu option and then choose from related pages underneath it. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact process inside the Wix Studio editor, from opening your site to nesting your subpages correctly under the drop-down title. First, open your site inside the Wix Studio editor. This is where you will be able to edit your site's layout and navigation elements. When you open the editor, make sure you are on the correct page or screen where your site elements are visible. You should see the main editing canvas along with the panels that control components. Take a moment to confirm you are working in the editor, not just previewing your site. Next, click the menu element on your canvas header. In Wix Studio, the menu is usually shown as a navigation component near the top area of your site. You can think of this as the container that holds your navigation items. When you click it, look for the menu panel to open or for the menu options to become available. If you do not see the menu options right away, try clicking the menu area once more so Wix Studio clearly selects that element. After the menu element is selected, you will click plus Add Item at the bottom of the panel. This button is how you create a new navigation entry inside your existing menu. When you select it, pay attention to any new item field that appears because this is where you will name your dropdown. Adding the new item first keeps your menu organized, and it also ensures you are building the dropdown structure within the correct navigation element. Then select the option labeled Drop On. This tells Wix Studio that the item you are creating will serve as a dropdown parent. Instead of being a single link, it will act as a menu heading that can contain other pages beneath it. Choosing dropdown is the key part of turning a regular menu item into a grouped navigation option. Next, type the title name and press Enter. The title name is what visitors will see in the main menu before they click or hover. Keep it simple and descriptive, like a category name for your pages. Pressing Enter confirms the new dropdown label so Wix Studio knows the parent item is ready to contain subpages. Now that the dropdown title exists, the next step is to add your subpages under it. Drag and drop your desired subpages underneath this new dropdown title. This is where you build the actual dropdown contents. On screen, you should see the subpage entries move into place under the dropdown heading. This part matters because visitors should only see relevant pages when they open the dropdown. Finally, slide the subpages slightly to the right to nest them. Nesting is what visually and structurally confirms that those pages belong under the dropdown title, rather than sitting as separate main menu items. As you slide them, Wix Studio will typically recognize the indentation and format the hierarchy correctly. Take a brief moment to confirm that the pages are aligned beneath the drop-down title with the right level of indentation. Once you have nested your subpages, your drop-down menu is ready for use. You can preview your site to see how the drop-down behaves in practice, but the core setup is complete at this point. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.